Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the FlexRent app. First, download the FlexRent app from your app store. Once the installation is complete, open the app on your phone. When the app opens, it will ask for your mobile number so you can sign up. Enter your phone number carefully and tap Continue. After that, Flex will send a verification code to your mobile number. Check your messages, enter the code into the app, and continue to the next step. Now you will be asked to enter your personal details. Type in your first name, last name, and your email address. After that, enter your address information such as your state and city. Next, the app will ask how you want to pay your rent. If your apartment or property uses an online rent portal or website, select the option that says yes. If you usually pay your landlord directly, tap the Direct Landlord Payment option instead. The app will then explain how the payment process works. Read through the information and tap Continue. After that, enter the amount of your monthly rent. Then type in your birth date and your social security number for identity verification. Once all the verification steps are completed, you will be taken to the home page of the app. Here you can view your rent amount and the payment methods you added during sign-up. You can also open the settings section to view your payment schedule and check when your next payment is due. Thanks for watching.